Now classification of the phylum Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes classification. Class 1 divides into differentiated into three classes. This first one is class 1 Turbellaria, class 2 Trematoda, class 3 Cystoda. What about the first one? Class Turbellaria, class 1 Turbellaria. This includes with free living organisms. Next, students, body does not divided into segments. Segments are absent in the body. Body not divided into segments. Next, student, rhabdites. It is the main feature of these animals. What about the rhabdites? Rhabdites are the on the outer surface of the body surface shows mucus secreting structures. These are called rhabdites. Okay, body wall shows mucus forming structures. These are the structures are called rhabdites. Next, student, reproduction takes place by sexual method and asexual method. Development is indirect, and development is with larva stage, that is Muller's larva. Student, Dugesia student, it is Dugesia and convoluta. Dugesia convoluta are the example for class Turbellaria. Next, second class, that is Trematoda. What about Trematoda? Trematoda includes with the animals called flukes. Flukes present in the class Trematoda. Next, student, parasite on other animals. These are the animals shows parasitic mode of life on the other animals. Next, student, these are parasites. Next, body covers with cuticle. Body is covered with the substance or the layer that is called cuticle. It is also called tegument. Next, body with two suckers. Body is with two suckers, student. These are called, one is oral sucker, another one is ventral sucker. Ventral sucker is called acetabulum. Ventral sucker is called acetabulum. Student, it is the body of liver fluke, also called fasciola. It is the oral sucker which surrounds the mouth of the body, and this one is the ventral sucker, locates at the ventral position of the body. Ventral sucker is also called acetabulum. Next, mouth is at the anterior part of the body shows mouth. Mouth is at the anterior. Okay. Next, intestine is bifurcated. Intestine is divided into two branches in the body. Intestine is divided into two branches. Okay. Intestine is bifurcated. And life history is complex, students, with host, with many host. Okay. With many host. These are the shows parasitic mode of the life and complete its life cycle in the body of another animal. Okay, that is called host. Many host, life history is complex with many host. Next, student, different larva stages. Okay, different larva stages. Larva stages are more in the development. Okay, like Miracidium, Sporocyst, Rhedia, Cercaria, Metacercaria. Metacercaria finally develops into the adult one. This is also called polyembryony. Polyembryony is shown by animals present in class Trematoda. Student, example, fasciola, liver fluke. It is a body of fasciola. Fasciola is also called liver fluke, which lives in the liver of the sheep, act as a primary host for the fasciola. Fasciola hepatica, it is the scientific name. normal name is liver fluke, lives in the liver of the sheep, hence called liver fluke. Fasciola hepatica, primary host is sheep, secondary host is snail. Cystosoma hematobium, also called bilharzia, lives in the blood of the man, human beings. Blood fluke, it is also called blood fluke. Okay student. Next, another third class, that is cystoda. What about the cystoda? It is includes with tapeworms, animals present in class cystoda called tapeworms. So these are endoparasite, lives in the body of the another animal. Body is covered by tegument. Tegument is syncytial. Student, much amount of the larvae present in the tegument, that is called syncytium. Next, pseudometamerism student. Pseudometamerism present in the animals, present in the tapeworms, present in the animals, belongs from class Cystoda. And Scolex shows suckers, hooks, Bothridia. What about the Scolex student? Scolex is the anterior part of these animals. Anterior region of these animals called Scolex. Scolex that shows suckers and hooks, hook-like structures. Bothridia, these are leaf-like outgrowth. These are shows by Scolex part of animal. These are suckers, hooks, Bothridia, helps to attachment of the host body, parts of the host body. Okay, these are the formations, these are the arrangements present in these parasites. These endoparasites are one type of the adaptations helpful in parasitic mode of life. These are the parasitic adaptations which helps in parasitic mode of life. Suckers, hooks, Bothridia. Bothridia are leaf-like outgrowth from the body of parasite. Next, mouth, gastrovascular cavity is absent. Mouth absent, gastrovascular cavity is also absent in these animals. Next, life history is complex with many hosts. Hosts also more in these life cycle, in the life cycle of these animals. Host also more. Next, development is indirect. Larva is present. Larva name is Cysticercus larva. Cysticercus larva is also called bladder worm. A student, under Taenia solium is the example. Another one is Echinococcus. Taenia solium, it is also called pork tapeworm. Pork means meat of domestic pigs. Pork tapeworm. Okay, Taenia solium complete its life cycle in two hosts. Okay, one is the man, another one is pig. Okay student. Next, Echinococcus, dog tapeworm. Echinococcus, it is scientific name, normal name is dog tapeworm. Okay, it is about the classification of Platyhelminthes. Class 1, Turbellaria, example Dugesia convoluta. Larva name is Muller's larva. Next student, Trematoda, example Fasciola hepatica, liver fluke. Cystosoma, also called bilharzia, blood fluke. Next, Cystoda, Taenia solium, Echinococcus. Okay, Turbellaria with free living organisms, animals. Trematoda with flukes. Cystoda with tapeworm.